What's up everyone, it's your boy Tyler and welcome to another episode of Ask Tyler. What's up everyone, it's your boy Tyler and I am doing another video of Ask Tyler. It's another episode, so thank you guys so much for tuning in. As you can see, I'm doing this at night. I just wanted to test it out to see how it looks, and actually the lighting is pretty good, so I am impressed. Alright, let's get to it. Let's go to our next email. And see what the topic would be about today. So let's cut to the chase and answer your questions, alright? Alright, so this email reads, "Hey brother, this is your girl from Auckland, New Zealand." Oh, kia ora. And she said, "I love, girl, that's a lot of love. I love your videos. I need some advice, bro. My brother's girlfriend is my best friend from middle school. They've been together for 9 months. They are no longer together and my brother wants me not to talk to her anymore. But I've been friends with her for a long time. Should I respect my brother's wishes and cut her off? Or should I keep the friendship with my friend? Thank you for your time, brother." Thank you so much for that email. I just want to cut to the chase. Now, judging by this email, you said that your brother's girlfriend is your best friend from middle school. I'm going to assume that you're a full-grown adult now. And you guys have been best friends ever since middle school, you know what I'm saying? So that speaks volumes, you know? I mean, she was there for you, and you guys love each other, obviously, right? I'm not sure who asked who, but they've been together for about 9 months, and then I guess it no longer worked out. All due respect to you, brother, but I don't think that you come into the picture here. Whatever happens between them should be between them. That's not fair to you because you've been friends with her for a long time, and I don't think that you should break off your friendship because of your brother. However, if she was the one that was being a total jerk and she was being a total witch the whole time for those 9 months, you better ask somebody. Yes, I think at that time you should definitely end that friendship because it's not, not on my watch. You be your brother's keeper. So if she did something wrong to him, bruh, you be there for your brother, you know what I'm saying? You ain't gonna do that to my bro. Nah, that's my brother. That's my flesh and blood, you know what I'm saying? Now, if your brother, however, was the jerk in this relationship, nah. You keep that friendship with your friend. Nah. Whatever happens with them, stays with them. Doesn't have to deal with me, you know what I'm saying? Me and my friends gonna continue to be friends, right? Bro, I love you, but you were the jerk in this relationship. Nah, you're not gonna interfere in my relationship with my best friend, you know what I'm saying? Nope. Well folks, that's all for today's episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and also subscribe on my YouTube channel and also give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye.